In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Nordstrom gift card balance. Whether you received it as a gift or bought it yourself, keeping track of the balance on your Nordstrom gift card is a breeze once you know where to look. To get started, the first step is to open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to your favorite search engine and type in Nordstrom. This will bring up a list of results, and you should click on the Nordstrom website link to get to their homepage. Now, once you're on the Nordstrom website, you might be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details. This will ensure a smoother experience as you navigate through the site. If you don't have an account or don't want to log in, you may still be able to proceed, but logging in is usually a good idea for a more personalized experience. After you're logged in, or if you're ready to proceed, look for the Services section on the homepage. This is typically found in the top menu bar, but depending on the layout of the site, it could also be listed under a sidebar or within a drop-down menu. Click on Services to continue. Next, within the Services section, you should see an option for gift cards. Go ahead and click on that. The gift cards page will provide you with a number of options related to purchasing, using, and checking the balance of your gift card. Once you're on this page, look for a link or button that says something like Check Your Gift Balance. This is the key step to finding out how much credit you have left on your gift card. After clicking on Check Your Gift Balance, you'll be prompted to enter some information about your gift card. You'll need your gift card number and the access number or code, which is usually found on the back of the card. If you're typing in these numbers, make sure you enter them accurately to avoid any errors. If you have a digital gift card, you can simply copy and paste the numbers if that's easier for you. Once you've entered the required information, all that's left to do is click on Check Balance. The system will then retrieve your current gift card balance and display it on the screen for you. And that's it. You're now all set to use your Nordstrom gift card with full knowledge of what's available to spend. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident checking your gift card balance in the future. Thank you for watching and enjoy shopping at Nordstrom.